If you live in Austin, you know how important it is to make the most of your space, especially in your garage. With the variety of activities, hobbies, and projects Austinites love to dive into, garages often become cluttered and disorganized, leaving you with little room to work or even park your car. But with a garage cleanout and organization session, you can create a functional, clean, and more enjoyable space that adds value to your home and life. Here's why organizing your garage is a decision you'll be glad you made. Maximize available space. One of the biggest challenges homeowners face is utilizing the full potential of their garage space. Over time, garages can become a dumping ground for old furniture, boxes, tools, and seasonal decorations. With a garage cleanout, you can eliminate what you no longer need and organize what remains. This process helps maximize storage space and ensures that your garage is not just a catch-all, but a usable and efficient part of your home. You'll be able to keep your tools, seasonal items, and sports equipment neatly arranged, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. Declutter for peace of mind. The sight of a disorganized garage can be overwhelming and stressful. When things are scattered around or piled up, it's easy to forget about what's hidden in the mess, which can lead to unnecessary purchases or the loss of valuable items. A clean garage offers peace of mind. You'll know exactly where things are, saving time and reducing stress. Plus, a clutter-free environment helps create a calm, organized atmosphere that makes the space more enjoyable to work in or simply spend time in. Increase your home's value. If you're considering selling your home or just want to increase its overall value, organizing your garage is a simple and effective step. Potential buyers often appreciate additional storage or a clean, functional garage that they can see themselves using. A well-organized garage can make a significant difference in how prospective buyers perceive the space. Even if you're not planning to sell right away, a clean and organized garage will contribute to the overall upkeep and appeal of your home. Boost functionality for hobbies and projects. Many Austinites love taking on DIY projects, outdoor activities, or arts and crafts. Your garage can be the perfect spot for these activities, but only if it's organized in a way that suits your needs. Whether you're building something new or enjoying a hobby like painting, having a designated space for your tools, materials, and equipment can increase your productivity and enjoyment. A well-organized garage allows you to work without the hassle of sifting through piles of clutter, making it easier to focus on the task at hand. Create more room for parking. If you're like many Austin residents, your garage is likely meant to park your car. However, when it's filled with clutter, it can be difficult to even park a vehicle inside. By cleaning out and organizing the space, you can make room for both your car and other items you want to store. This not only protects your vehicle from the harsh Texas weather but also ensures your garage stays functional for its intended purpose. Save money. Organizing your garage can save you money in more ways than one. First, by getting rid of items you no longer need, you might realize that you've been holding on to things that are taking up valuable space but aren't adding any value to your life. Second, by organizing your tools, sports equipment, and seasonal items, you're less likely to buy duplicates of things you already own. Finally, by taking care of your garage and its contents, you're less likely to damage expensive tools, appliances, or vehicles that could result in costly repairs. Environmentally friendly. Another benefit of organizing your garage is that it offers the opportunity to recycle or donate items that are no longer of use to you. Instead of tossing things into the trash, you can donate gently used furniture, appliances, or tools to local charities or recycling centers. This contributes to reducing waste and helps your community by offering items to those in need. It's a small change, but one that can have a positive environmental and social impact. Conclusion. Organizing your garage with a cleanout in Austin is more than just a tidying up project. It's an investment in your home, peace of mind, and the functionality of your living space. Whether you want more room to park, an organized space for hobbies, or to simply reduce clutter and stress, the benefits of organizing your garage are clear. Take the time to clear out your garage, and you'll be rewarded with a space that is not only more practical but also more enjoyable.